The figure shows a graph of actual position versus time data for a particular type of drag racer known as a funny car. Part A, estimate the car's velocity at 2 seconds. Part B, estimate the car's velocity at 4 seconds. In both cases, this is a position time graph, and so we know that the velocity is going to be dx dt, which is the slope of the tangent line. So we just need to find that. Drawing tangent lines is admittedly a bit of an art. You have to get a line which passes through or touches the curve, but it doesn't cross over. So I'm going to say something like this, but it's a little bit of an art. And if this is the case, then I'm going to find that slope as finding this rise over this run. So it's going to be about, well, let's see. We'll take our orange point. Notice we take it from the tangent line, not from the function. And that point looks to be maybe 210 meters at 4 seconds. And then the other, I'm going to actually take the intersection because I can do that once. That looks to be maybe 80 meters over 2 seconds. So I have something like 130 meters over 2 seconds, which is like 65 meters per second. And if you're interested, what does Master in Physics want? They accepted 80, 50, 60, or 70. So really to 2 sig figs, I think actually, they said 1 sig fig. So then definitely 70. All right. Here's just a slightly cleaner tangent line that I drew using graphical tools. I'm actually kind of impressed. My freehand was not so badly off for that, so I'm not going to do anything more with it. We do the same thing, but we need to draw a different tangent line, obviously. Here is 4, and maybe, I don't know, something like that. And so now we're going to say that the velocity is, and let's pick those points again. Now I'm going to take here, and that looks to be 280. That's my later moment at 4 seconds. And I'm going to take here, that's clearly 2 seconds. That might be 20. A little hard to say, but maybe 20 meters per second, something like that. And so we get, what is that, 260 meters per second. Oh, sorry. I've been doing that entirely wrong. These are just meters. Very bad. Yeah, should pay attention to your axes. So 260 meters over 2 seconds, or 130 meters per second. And Master in Physics says acceptable answers are 110, 120, 130, 140, or up to 140. So again, in about that right area.